Hey, it's Javen here from Postal Barbecue, and today at the grill I'm going to teach you how to make an easy and delicious buffalo chicken wing sauce. I can put all the show notes as well as the full recipe for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. So to make this easy buffalo chicken sauce, all you're going to need is some Frank's Red Hot, as well as 1/3 of a cup of butter. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your butter and just place that into your saucepan. Take a whisk and just give it a nice stir. The next thing that you're going to add is your Frank's Red Hot hot sauce, and we're going to be adding about a cup to this butter. Once those are together, take your whisk and give it a stir. So once the butter and the hot sauce are all whisked together, you're just going to let it come up to boil. Then at that point you're going to remove it from the heat and let it come down to room temperature. So again, with this sauce we're using 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot as well as 1/3 of a cup of butter, so we have a 3-to-1 ratio. So if you're looking for it to be less spicy, then you can cut back on the hot sauce until you've reached your desired spiciness. So that's how you make that easy buffalo chicken wing sauce for your next wing night. Make sure to leave me a comment on how it turned out for you, maybe what you did differently even. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share the video, and we'll see you next time.